This morning we have Charlene Patton with us once again with the Kansas Soybean Commission today. We're making another fantastic treat, perfect for the kids. We're making chocolate soy nut butter pie.
Oh,
Charlene,
I
good
know
morning.
it. I love this one. And if you have someone in your house that maybe is gluten-free,
Yes.
we have a daughter
wonderful.
that has celiac. Use a gluten-free crust, but then the rest of this is all gluten-free.
Fantastic.
So you have to check the package
Yes.
on chocolate chips, but we are using tofu, which is gluten-free.
Okay.
And I put this in the food processor.
Right.
And look how nice and smooth that is.
Yes, look
It
at that.
is the soy nut butter, and then it is tofu that I've mixed in there with that, and a half a cup of chocolate soy milk.
Ooh.
Now you could use regular soy milk,
Sure.
but the chocolate just intensifies
exactly.
the flavor. Put that in the food
Alrighty.
processor and mix it till
at
it's
that.
smooth. And then we are going to stir that, and you
Okay.
can go ahead and put that in here. This
Alrighty,
is
look at
one
that.
package,
Silky
a
smooth.
12-ounce package of semi-sweet
Okay.
chocolate chips, a fourth of a cup of dark chocolate chips, and then a tablespoon of butter. And
looks
just
so
put
good.
that in the microwave and melt it. I would suggest do it at 30-second intervals
yes.
and stir it, and then look how nice that is.
Combines
Oh my
wonderful.
goodness.
Looks silky
It
smooth.
is. And that tofu, if you've never tried tofu, this is a great recipe. Use the firm tofu.
Okay.
And then it's going to set up, look how nice that sets
Yes,
up.
it's delicious.
And then have your children, because we want to get them in the kitchen. And this would be a recipe maybe for some older children, because we're using the food processor and the microwave. But have them then garnish it. I put strawberries, whipped cream, and a little bit of shaved chocolate on it,
delicious.
which is fun for them. Look how nice and dark that chocolate is. I just love this recipe.
Yes, it's so
because
easy too.
and it's lower in calories. We've used the tofu in there. Put that in there now. I'll scrape that more out a little bit later, but I wanted to show, look how nice that.
Beautiful.
There we go. I'll move this over here. Put that in the refrigerator now to set up for, I don't know, an hour maybe. It doesn't
easy,
take
yes.
too long to do that. And then garnish it with this, and then we'll add and remind
Of
everyone
course, yes.
that this month, the Kansas Soybean Commission, to get kids involved in agriculture and learning about food in the kitchen, we're also offering this soybean book.
That's
and
fantastic.
It's a beautiful book, 4-color, and get kids to reading this summer too and learning about agriculture.
Absolutely. And when you call, you can also get all the recipes for the wonderful dishes that we've made in the month of July. Charlene, as always, thank you so much for being with us this morning.
Thank
Smells so
you.
good. Stick around. We'll be right back.